Welcome to Speak English Now. In today's video, Rachel will talk about her cozy house with you. You'll learn useful words and phrases that are commonly used in everyday conversations. Also, you will improve your listening and speaking skills without stress. Please listen carefully. My cozy house.
Hey, I am Rachel. I live in a small house. I like my house a lot because it is cozy and warm. Every morning, I wake up in my house and see the sun shining through my window. The sunlight makes my room feel bright and cheerful. I get out of my comfortable bed and walk to the kitchen. I enjoy making breakfast for myself. The smell of pancakes fills the air, making my house smell delicious. I love starting my day with a good meal. After breakfast, I move to my cozy living room. I have a big, comfortable sofa where I like to sit and watch TV. Sometimes, I just relax and read books. I have a small collection of books in my house, and I enjoy spending quiet moments with them. In my bedroom, I have a soft bed with a warm blanket. It feels so nice to curl up in my bed after a long day. I keep my favorite toys in my room too. Before going to sleep, I like to play with them. Outside my house, there's a beautiful garden. I have planted colorful flowers, and I take care of them every day. Watering the flowers is like a little daily ritual for me. I also have a tall tree in my garden where birds come to sing. Their melodies make my garden a peaceful and happy place. I feel truly happy in my house. It is a special place for me, filled with warmth and joy. I like to share this joy with my friends by inviting them over. We play games, laugh, and have fun together. My house is not just a building. It is a wonderful home, and I'm grateful for it every day.
Now let's look at the words we used in the story.
Before our speaking part, let's learn some words from the story. Cozy, an adjective, means giving a feeling of comfort, warmth, and relaxation. Example: Rachel's small house is cozy, with warm colors and soft furnishings. Sofa, a noun, is a comfortable seat with raised arms and a back that is wide enough for two or three. Example: Rachel has a large, comfortable sofa. Curl up, a verb, means to sit or lie in a comfortable and cozy position. Example: After a tiring day, Rachel loves to curl up in her soft bed with a good book. Grateful, an adjective, is feeling or showing an appreciation for something received. Example: Rachel is grateful for her cozy home. Smell, a verb and a noun, is the sense through which odors are perceived. Example: I love the smell of freshly baked pancakes. Plant, a verb and a noun, is a living thing that has leaves and roots and grows in earth, especially one that is smaller than a tree. Example: Rachel has planted colorful flowers in her garden. Invite over, a verb, is to request or ask someone to come to one's home or a specific location for a visit or social gathering. Example: Rachel likes to spend time with her friends by inviting them over. Now it's time to speak.
Repeat after Rachel.
Hey, I am Rachel. Hey, I am Rachel. I live in a small house. I live in a small house. I like my house a lot because it is cozy and warm. I like my house a lot because it is cozy and warm. Every morning, I wake up in my house and see the sun shining through my window. Every morning, I wake up in my house and see the sun shining through my window. The sunlight makes my room feel bright and cheerful. The sunlight makes my room feel bright and cheerful. I get out of my comfortable bed and walk to the kitchen. I get out of my comfortable bed and walk to the kitchen. I enjoy making breakfast for myself. I enjoy making breakfast for myself. The smell of pancakes fills the air, making my house smell delicious. The smell of pancakes fills the air, making my house smell delicious. I love starting my day with a good meal. I love starting my day with a good meal. After breakfast, I move to my cozy living room. After breakfast, I move to my cozy living room. I have a big, comfortable sofa where I like to sit and watch TV. I have a big, comfortable sofa where I like to sit and watch TV. Sometimes I just relax and read books. Sometimes I just relax and read books. I have a small collection of books in my house, and I enjoy spending quiet moments with them. I have a small collection of books in my house, and I enjoy spending quiet moments with them. In my bedroom, I have a soft bed with a warm blanket. In my bedroom, I have a soft bed with a warm blanket. It feels so nice to curl up in my bed after a long day. It feels so nice to curl up in my bed after a long day. I keep my favorite toys in my room too. I keep my favorite toys in my room too. Before going to sleep, I like to play with them. Before going to sleep, I like to play with them. Outside my house, there is a beautiful garden. Outside my house, there is a beautiful garden. I have planted colorful flowers, and I take care of them every day. I have planted colorful flowers, and I take care of them every day. Watering the flowers is like a little daily ritual for me. Watering the flowers is like a little daily ritual for me. I also have a tall tree in my garden where birds come to sing. I also have a tall tree in my garden where birds come to sing. Their melodies make my garden a peaceful and happy place. Their melodies make my garden a peaceful and happy place. I feel truly happy in my house. I feel truly happy in my house. It is a special place for me, filled with warmth and joy. It is a special place for me, filled with warmth and joy. I like to share this joy with my friends by inviting them over. I like to share this joy with my friends by inviting them over. We play games, laugh, and have fun together. We play games, laugh, and have fun together. My house is not just a building. It is a wonderful home, and I am grateful for it every day. My house is not just a building. It is a wonderful home, and I am grateful for it every day.
Listen to the story again carefully.
Hey, I am Rachel. I live in a small house. I like my house a lot because it is cozy and warm. Every morning, I wake up in my house and see the sun shining through my window. The sunlight makes my room feel bright and cheerful. I get out of my comfortable bed and walk to the kitchen. I enjoy making breakfast for myself. The smell of pancakes fills the air, making my house smell delicious. I love starting my day with a good meal. After breakfast, I move to my cozy living room. I have a big, comfortable sofa where I like to sit and watch TV. Sometimes I just relax and read books. I have a small collection of books in my house, and I enjoy spending quiet moments with them. In my bedroom, I have a soft bed with a warm blanket. It feels so nice to curl up in my bed after a long day. I keep my favorite toys in my room too. Before going to sleep, I like to play with them. Outside my house, there's a beautiful garden. I have planted colorful flowers, and I take care of them every day. Watering the flowers is like a little daily ritual for me. I also have a tall tree in my garden where birds come to sing. Their melodies make my garden a peaceful and happy place. I feel truly happy in my house. It is a special place for me, filled with warmth and joy. I like to share this joy with my friends by inviting them over. We play games, laugh, and have fun together. My house is not just a building. It is a wonderful home, and I'm grateful for it every day.
Now relax and answer the questions. You may want to pause to answer. With this method, you will acquire the language with no effort. So don't stress and just listen carefully. If you want, you can take a look at the story in the description.
Is Rachel a boy? Well, obviously not. Rachel is a girl. She is a girl. Does Rachel live in a big house? Nope. She lives in a small house. Does Rachel wake up in the evening? Well, no, she wakes up in the morning. Does Rachel's house smell bad? Nope. It smells delicious thanks to the pancakes. Does Rachel have a small, uncomfortable chair? No, she doesn't have a small, uncomfortable chair. She has a big, comfortable sofa. Does Rachel sleep on a hard bed with a cold blanket? Nope. It would be hard to sleep on a hard bed, right? She has a soft bed with a warm blanket. Does Rachel keep her favorite toys in the kitchen? Nope. Where does she keep them? In the garden? Haha, of course not. They are in her bedroom. Does Rachel neglect her garden? Well, she doesn't. Does Rachel have friends? Well, yes. Does Rachel take her house for granted? Nope. She is grateful for her house and doesn't take it for granted.
Today you spent time listening and practicing a bunch of things. It's good if you feel tired now. Take a rest, but do not quit. Keep practicing. It helps you get better. Every time you practice, your English improves. Remember to click like and subscribe for more lessons.